Okay, so this is day 21. Hopefully it's recording. And I think it is, so I'll go at it. Otherwise I'll have to start again. So the first one, and I know I'm late on this video, so I truly am sorry. Number one, there are 38 girls, 25 boys. The ratio of girls to students. So the number of girls is 38. And why is this acting weird? Okay, so 38. Two totals, two students in the class. Well, the total number of students in the class is the number of girls plus the number of boys. 38 plus 25, which in this case, 63. Okay, so that would have been your first answer. All right. Second one. Now, apple juice comes in three sizes. 40 ounces, $10. 25 ounces, $6, etc., etc. So let's do the first one. So remember, unit rate. So here is your rate. You're comparing $10. So for $10, and make that a little better. $10, I can get 40 ounces. What else can I get? I can get for $6. And remember, I told you money should be on top. It just not that it should be, but it just makes, I think it makes life easier. And the third one is $14. You get 70 ounces. So I'm going to change color over here. You want to make the unit rate. So to make a unit rate, this is ounces, ounces, ounces. Well, how much does it count for 1 ounce? If you pay $10 for 40, how much did 1 cost? Same thing here. How much did 1 ounce cost? And same thing here. How much did 1 ounce cost? Well, how did 40 become a 1 over here? Divided by 40. So divide bottom by 40. I divide the top by 40. So if you have a calculator, divide 10 by 40. You'll get the answer that each ounce of that juice was 0.25 cents. Not bad. Okay, 25 cents. The second one is 25 divided by 25. Gave you 1. And then 6 divided by 25 on top. Let's do that. 6 divided by 25 gives you a 24 cents. So it's a little bit cheaper. And then finally, 70 ounce, the big bottle. If you paid 70, you get 70. And you divide that by, you get 14. And you divide that by 70. You get 20 cents. So the cheapest one is this one, size 3. Okay? So, let's see. 3. Cafeteria measures 72 yards in length. Tina has a measuring stick that measures 4 feet. So how many of those sticks? And again, an interruption. You can say hello to Miss Koliatis. Stop, pause, record. Resume. Okay, so where was I? So the stick, 72 yards. Hang on a second. So I'm going to pause. Turn. All right, so sorry for the interruption. So 72 yards. And 1 yard is how many feet? There's 3 feet per yard? Yes, 3 feet per yard. So let's change the 72 times 3. And in terms of feet, let's see, 3 times 6 is yards. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. So it's 260 feet. All right, so the cafeteria measures from here to here, 216 feet. And some guy uses a 4 feet stick. How many of those will he need? That's 1 stick, and that measures 4. Another stick that measures 8. Another stick that measures 12. So those sticks are 4 feet each. To reach all the way to the other side, how many will he need? So, easy. 216 divided by 4. 4 goes into 21 5 times. 20. 16. 4 goes to 16 4 times. So he'll need 54 of those sticks. Okay. Next question. Write 3 equivalent ratios to 18 over 30. So you can make 3 ratios. Okay. So you can simplify. One way to simplify is if I divide the top and bottom by 2, this is 9 over 15. So 18 over 30 and 9 over 15 are the same. You could have gone higher, multiplied 18 here times 10. So this was a divide by 2. So over here, let's multiply top and bottom by 10. You get 180 and 300. That's another one that's equivalent. You can divide 18 by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So there you go. You have 3 equivalent fractions, and you could have gone so many different ways with this one. Okay. Table, let me just erase this. Relationship. So this one, if you can't find an up and down relationship, what times 18 gives you 25? Go sideways. How did 25 becomes at 75? Times 3. So this will be a times 3, and times 3 gives you 54. How did 18 become 108? 18 times what would be 08? Let's say 5, 6. Let's try 6. 48 goes 4. Yes, it's times 6. That's times 6. So the bottom will be times 6. That's going to give us 150. Out of 25 becomes 125. What's the relationship here? It's going to be times 4 times 5. So on top, 18 is going to be times 5 again. And 5 times 18, I think it's 90. So there are your values. Erasing as I go. Lisa drives some car 52 miles, 54 miles into 2 hours. Let's just lower this a little bit. Okay. Where am I? Oh, I forgot the books. All right, so here, sorry. Bookstore has 30 magazines, 15 books, 28 newspapers. What's the ratio of total number? What is the ratio of books? So there's 15 books to the total number of reading material. So you got to add these 3 numbers up. 30 plus 15 is 45. Plus 28 gives you 73. So there is your ratio, a 75 to 73 ratio. Next one. Lisa drives 54 miles in 2 hours. So write that down, 54 miles in 2 hours. Right? How many miles can she drive in 8 hours? So put an 8 here. The relationship? Yeah, times 4. And on top should be a times 4. So this is times 4. On top would be times 4, giving you 216 miles. What about 54 miles in 2 hours? What about 9? Well, with 9, there is no relationship direct. 2 to 9. Listen, if you want to do decimals, you could have done 2 times what's 9? 2 times 4.5. And you could have multiplied 4.5 on the other way, on top as well. But if you didn't find, you could have reduced this. Instead of 54 over 2, you could have made it 27 miles in 1 hour. Okay, you reduce this, so you're going this way first, and now relationship from 1 to 9, very easy, times 9. So on top would be times 9, and that's 3, 6, 18, 243 miles. Okay. There are, where are we? Following team has 24 players, 7 of them are girls. Write a part-to-part ratio. Well, part-to-part. So part of the team are girls, so 7 girls. And part of the team are boys. How many are boys? Well, 24 players, 7 are girls. Then that means that 17 are boys. There's a part-to-part ratio. Okay? Compare the number of rock songs to jazz songs. There are 60 rock songs to 200 jazz songs. And you can simplify that if they ask you. If not, this is completely fine. 10. 48 pencils, 64 pens. Tarzan wants to give them away to as many Tarzan. Okay, fine. What is the greatest number of gift bags you can buy so that every bag has the same amount of bags? So this is a GCF problem. Remember? 48, 64. Let's see. Let's pick a number that goes into both. 8. 8 seems to work. 8 goes into 48 6 times. 8 goes into 64 8 times. Can a number go again? Yes, 2. 2 goes into 6, 3. 2 goes into 8, 4 times. So, how many bags can I get? I can get 16 bags, and what is this? 48 pencils, and this was pens. I can buy 16 bags, and in each bag I'm going to put 3 pencils and 4 pens. Okay. Complete the table below. I'm going to do 11 in a second. Complete the table below. Okay, so is the relationship up and down? What times 40 times what equals 120? Times what? Times 3. So everything here is going to be times 3. So if you can't find a side to side, what times 40 gives you 50? Not really anything. All right. Then look for an up and down. In this case, we do 40 times 3 is 120. So 50 times 3 will give you 150. 65 times 3 is 195. And 90 times 3 is 270. There are your answers. So for 18 plus 24, you want to come up with an expression that looks like this. What can I put over here that multiplied bird against the pigs will give me 18 and 24? So if you did 18 and 24 ladder method, Let's see what number 6 seems to work. 6 goes into 18 3 times, plus 6 goes into 24 4 times. There. This number goes outside. These two go inside, 3 and 4. Does that equal to 18 plus 24? 6 times 3 is 18, plus 6 times 4 is 24. And that seems like that's it. Do we have any more? Please tell me. And we don't. We're good. And that's day 21. Reverse this. Stop record. There we go.